Nominate?
Oh, is it innominate after the internal mammary? Yeah.
So
Uh,
what is that?
you mean right here?
Yeah. So it's
Well,
just
this is vena cava.
Vena cava.
Oh, okay.
So vena cava goes all the way up to the point where it
Where branches.
where branches.
Nominate.
Nominate?
Oh, I know that.
Nominate?
I used to know that.
That whole part.
So that whole
I
big
see.
part is the bean.
And then it's
Yeah.
This is what?
Internal mammary.
Internal mammary. What's this?
vena
Vena
cava.
cava.
What's this?
Vena
No,
cava.
oh.
Vena
Still
cava.
vena cava, then it's
When it
a
branches,
nominate.
it's a nominate. So this would be
External
external jugular,
subclavian.
subclavian.
Break.
Scapular?
Isn't that the break?
No, that's
Well,
axillary.
this is subclavian, then it becomes
Axillary.
axillary,
Axillary.
then
Brachial.
brachial,
And the one above it is
Subscapular.
subscapular.
Yep.
Okay.
And then where's the artery for that one?
Is that the
I guess
subscapular
this must be
artery?
the subscapular artery right here.
'Cause going to the shoulder.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there a brachial artery
There is.
Yeah.
Is it right next?
Brachial artery is going to be out here.
underneath it? Oh,
This is brachial out here.
okay. Going to the arm.
And then this would be, well, I think it's been severed here a little bit.
Axillary.
Yeah, I would say that's probably axillary here. And then
Subclavian.
subclavian,
Internal
Internal
mammary.
internal mammary,
Innominate.
nominate,
Artery.
Arteries.
Subscapular.
Subclavian.
subclavian,
Artery.
left subclavian.
Left subclavian.
Where's right subclavian?
Right
Branches out.
subclavian branches off the nominate here. And that's the one that's kind of hard to see.
It goes under the bean cave.
You know, this is subclavian right here.
Oh, yeah.
That's
there's
what this
two.
comes off of.
Oh, the internal mammary comes off the subclavian artery. Okay. Great.
So this branches right here. Right about here is where the innominate branches and forms